Hello dear parents, welcome to the Common Error Workshop by Divyajot School of Mathematics. Okay. So in the chapter place value, what is the common error? They tend to make the errors while arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. What is the meaning of ascending? Ascending means smaller to bigger number and descending means bigger to smaller number. So the number they have to arrange in ascending order, that is the smaller to bigger number. So what they are doing the mistake over there? They are arranging all the numbers in the descending over here. You can see over here, this is the incorrect portion of this, right? So what is the correct order over there? They have to arrange it into the smaller to bigger number. So that is the correct answer is this one. You can see over here, smaller to the bigger number, right? Now in the same place value chapter, what is the second common error? Round off the number to the nearest 10, right? So what they are making the error including that. So they are making that the rounding of the number, especially the center or the middle number, right? What is the rule of the rounding of the number to nearest to 10? So till from number 1 to 4, they have to go towards the left side tens, and from 5 or above 5, they have to move to the right side tens, right? So round off the number 55, right? So what they are writing over their answer is 50, right? That is the incorrect answer. What is the correct answer is? Correct answer is 60. Why? Because now on the place of ones, the number is 5, right? So that's why they have to move towards the right side tens, right? So always the center and the middle number will go ahead, right? So this is the correct method. Now in the same chapter, place value, what is the second common error? They are doing that rule of the Roman number must be remembered, right? Matlab means they are not remembering all the number rules of that the Roman numbers. For Roman numbers, one they are learning or they are remembering the number from 1 to 10, then they can easily make the bigger number, right? And the rules of the Roman numbers are v is never subtracted, means number 5 that cannot be subtracted, right? I can be subtracted from the v and x only, right? So number I, number 1 and v, that number 5, that can be subtracted only from the x. V is never repeated. V, that number 5, you cannot repeat, right? Now, a letter can be repeated up to a maximum 3 times only, right? Any numbers that you can repeat it only and only for the 3 times, right? So, what is the incorrect portion over that? Number 4. If they have to build up the number 4, what they are doing the mistake? They are writing I 4 times. That is the incorrect one, right? Actual mean that they have to write down number 4 like this, I, V, right? That means V matlab 5 and I matlab 1. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4, right? Same in the number 9. They are writing like triple X I V, right? That means triple X 30 and IV means 4. So it is the wrong, right? What is the correct form of the 9? That is IX, right? X means 10 and I means 1, right? So they have to write down 10 minus 1, right? So it is gives the 9. Now number 40. They are writing X 4 times X, right? So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 then gives you 40. But it is the incorrect form. What is the correct form of the 40? XL, right? Means L means 50 and X means 10. So 50 minus 10 that gives 40, right? So these are the mistakes in the place value chapter. So in chapter addition, what is the common error? They forgot to add the carryover numbers while performing the addition sums, right? Students generally forgot to add that the carryover number, right? So carryover number always they have to make the circle on it, right? So they can easily add it over here, but they cannot make that circle on that the carry number. So they are doing the mistake in the addition. So always in the addition, they have to make the circle on the carry number, so they cannot forget it, right? So like the correct method is 9 plus 0, 9, 6 plus 6, 12, carry gaya 1, 2 plus 1, 3 and 7. 10, 0, carry gaya 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8, right? So this is the correct method they have to. Okay. Now in chapter subtraction, what is the common error they are doing? The first thing students have to remember that the always biggest number right front, right? So always they have to write down the biggest number on the top. Okay. So what they are doing the mistake over that incorrect portion is they are doing 25 minus 55. That is the incorrect, right? You cannot subtract the bigger number from the smaller number, right? So for that they always have to write down the bigger number on the top. Okay. Now second mistake in the subtraction chapter, that to subtract from zeros and regroup the numbers, right? So what is the incorrect portion over there? If the number is 570 minus 343, right? So what they are doing when they are regrouping that the 0, right? So they are borrowing 1 from here from the 7, but they forget to cut that the 7 number over here, and directly they are writing 10 minus 3 equal to 7, right? So what they are doing mistake over that, 7 minus 4 directly they are writing 3. So that is the incorrect method, right? And what is the correct method? If they have to do that 570 minus 343, right? So what they have to do, they have to cut first 7 and then they have to write down 6 over there. So they are borrowing one number from the 7 and that they have to write down in the with 0, right? So that 10 forms over there and that 10 minus 3 that gives that the 7. Now 6 minus 4 equal to 2 and 5 minus 3 that gives the 2, right? So this is the proper method they have to do the subtraction. Okay, so now in chapter multiplication, what is the common error they are doing? So they forget to add again the carryover numbers while performing the multiplication sum, right? Same mistake that they were doing in that the addition chapter also, right? Again they are forgetting the add that the number of carryover numbers, right? So over here, what is the incorrect portion? Just check it. 6 fours are 24. So they have to write down 4 over here and write down over here that the 2 number over here. But what they are doing, they forget to write that the number over here. So that's why they are not counting that number also. What is the correct method of this? 6 fours are 24. That write down 4 over here and 2 that is the carry number. So that's why over here also they have to make the circle on the carry number. So they cannot forget it, right? Now 8 fours are 32 plus 2, 34. So write down 4 over here and 3 over here on the top, right? Now 4 twos are 8 plus 3 that is 11, right? So this is the correct method they have to do. Okay. Now, so in the chapter measurement, what is the common error? While conversion in the any kinds of the measurement, like the meters, grams, kilograms, milliliters, and liters also, right? So, what is the incorrect portion over here? If the number is 3 meter, 3 centimeter given, and they have to convert it into centimeter, right? So, they are writing that 330 centimeter, like 33 centimeter, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, but they forget to convert this meter into the centimeter and they are writing the answer is 330 centimeter. That is the wrong answer. What is the correct method? Over here they have to convert, write down the first basic formula, that is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, right? And then that's why the 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter, right? Now remaining centimeter of 3 centimeter they have to add over here in the 300 centimeter, right? So they are getting the correct answer of 303 centimeter, right? So such mistakes children are doing in the measurement. Okay, so thank you dear parents, and definitely it would be helpful for our students.